Do you find this sound annoying? You are not alone. Tesla's emergency lane departure avoidance is a great safety feature that helps keep you in your lane, but that alert sound can get irritating whenever you step on the solid sideline by accident or drive on a road that is under construction and has mixed up markings. With our latest update, you can now automatically disable the alert on Legacy Model 3 and Y as well as the Model S and X, while still keeping all the safety benefits. To enable this feature, open the automations list in the Commander tab of the Sexy app and look for Disable Emergency Lane Departure. Make sure to read through the conditions laid out in the pop-up and press accept. However, to keep you safe, this automation only works if you've selected either the warning or assist options from the autopilot setting menu. If you decide to set it on warning, the steering wheel will vibrate when you step on the solid line, and if you go for assist, it will carefully steer you back in lane and produce a quieter and less intrusive sound. But since we like to take things to the next level, we created additional options which give you control under or over what speed Disable Emergency Lane Departure should not work. For instance, I have made it so that if I drive at speeds over 130 km an hour, the car will go back to its default settings and play the warning sounds through the speakers. This was one of the most requested features by our community and we can't wait for you to try it, so go down in the comments and tell us if you find it useful.